In this video, I'll be showing you how to move contacts to a SIM card on Android phone. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, moving contacts to a SIM card is slightly more restricted on Android 16 than it used to be. Because modern contacts include photos and multiple emails, which SIM cards can't store, Google has removed the export to SIM option from standard Google contact apps. So what you want to do is the native method. What you want to do is open up your contacts application, make sure you're on the contacts tab. Then tap the three little dots on the top right and then go over to contact settings. Then what you want to do is tap import or export contacts, but obviously go ahead and click export. Now just choose all contacts, or you can choose specific ones if you want as well. And then it's going to say to, so you can select where to export these contacts to. Press internal storage, and then all you got to do is press export. Of course, if you don't want it to be internal storage, just obviously connect any hard drive, SD card, anything like that as well. But a warning will appear that only names and numbers will be saved. Photos and emails are going to be stripped away because they simply can't be saved. Yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.